How to activate the license using the QR code scanner. This feature is only applicable in AdoPiSoft software version 5.1.3. To locate the license activation settings, go to Admin and then click the Device Information menu. There are two ways to activate the license keys. First is the new one, which is to activate via QR scanning, and the other is the manual activation, which is the same process as before. Let's activate the machine using the QR scanner. First, let's download the application in the Google Play Store. After downloading the app, open it and scan the QR code in the device information. Then click the link. Input the device alias you want and choose the available license in your account manager. After clicking the Activate button, wait until the tab will close. That's it. Now go back to your machine admin and reboot your machine to complete the license activation process. Now your machine is activated. You can explore the settings and other features of the AdoPiSoft system. Kindly support our YouTube channel for more AdoPiSoft system version 5.1.3 video tutorials.